contract manufacturer, our relationship with our customers is critical. And in that relationship, if you don't meet their expectations and if you don't have that reputation, everything falls apart. And it can quickly become known that you don't deliver. And so quality has to be at the forefront of it. Ethical, able to deliver, and actually COMDEL stands for Commit and Deliver Innovation. And so quality is at the forefront of everything that we do.
Quality is very important to our organization because it is a differentiator. And our team really supports quality across the board, whether it's the final line to the customer or player that's playing our games, playing our slot machines or our mobile devices. And what we found is that you can directly correlate players, stickiness of players, and staying with because of high quality of the products and the services that we provide.
I believe that cost of poor quality can be avoided in many cases. Lots of people work in silos, there's not enough visibility, not enough communication, and these things would help to really avoid some of the quality failures. So, for example, using Reliance system, that really helped us to bring some of these incidences and issues together, help with the visibility and communication of root causes and addressing them, so we can sort of build on our failures and actually really improve. And in Reliance, we also capture the kind of cost of incidents, and that helps us kind of to understand what is the actual dollar behind those failures.